every day. Have you ever wondered why your friend, not really my friend, why your classmate has always been making really weird content? Well, you should always press this button. See that? And then press the arrows sideways. And then when you hear, you should see something like this. I'm gonna be translating it for you just to describe what this person just said. He said, "Что за херня?" Why don't we call it to it and see what they said about my classmate. We're gonna need to take Russian because that's Russian. Oh my god, can you actually have an Irish detector? I didn't know that. No, I seriously didn't. So he said, oh, I need this keyboard. He said, where's that? I forgot wait, what is he? Что за хрень? Was that it? За. What's the next? Oh yeah, no, that's the wrong one. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, that, I know it's a hitch, but like, where's it? There, there. And it's not here. Wait, what? There it is. Who? He. Wait, what? Wait. Who? Yeah. So that's what the person described about Luke.
Except for the dick.
Actually, can't spell this. Wow. Well, hope you enjoyed my fun Russian effect that you've just learned in the day.